so I love keeping it bright and spotless. I start by taking my spray and giving the glass a light mist. Tiny drops scatter across the surface, catching the light for a second before they slide down. Then I press my cloth against the glass and begin wiping slowly, smoothing out the streaks one by one. It always amazes me how quickly the surface transforms. Those dull marks and traces of dust disappear, and suddenly, everything looks clear again. Next, I move on to the walls. Even though they don't seem too dirty, I know dust and little smudges always find a way to settle there. With the same cloth, slightly damp, I work in steady motions, making sure every part looks fresh. The process itself is calming. With every wipe, the bathroom feels lighter, brighter, and more peaceful. I enjoy watching the reflection sharpen in the glass, almost as if the room is smiling back at me. It's such a simple routine, but it makes a big difference. By the time I'm done, the glass sparkles, the walls look smooth, and the whole bathroom feels renewed. I take a step back, and it's like the space is thanking me for the care. For me, this isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating a little oasis. A clean bathroom sets the tone for the day, giving me clarity and calm. Do you also find joy in watching the glass shine after a good wipe down? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy cleaning moments with me. See you soon.